How much wealth should you have by age 30, 40, or 50? It's a question a lot of people have, but almost nobody answers clearly. So today, I'll give you a simple and honest benchmark with real numbers to help you understand where you currently stand financially. What counts as wealth? Before we start, let's be clear on what actually counts as your net worth, cash and savings money in your bank account, investments like stocks, ETFs, bonds, real estate, or property ownership, business ownership, or side income assets, minus anything you still owe, loans, debts, mortgages, credit cards. Net worth equals what you own minus what you owe. Simple. Now, let's look at the average net worth by age and also what the top 10% look like. First, under 30. If you already have any net worth at this age, amazing. The average is around 5,000 euros. The top 10% have around 70,000 euros or more. Next, age 30 to 40. This is where the wealth building phase really begins. The average between 17,000 euros and 45,000 euros. The top 10% between 200,000 euros and 300,000 euros. Next, age 40 to 50. Net worth usually increases significantly here. Average 87,000 to 105,000 euros. Top 10%, close to 500,000 euros. Next, age 50 to 65. This is where early decisions truly show their impact. Average around 115,000 to 120,000 euros. Top 10%, 600,000 euros plus. Last, age 65 plus, retirement age. Average net worth stays around 120,000 euros. Top 10%, still well over 500,000 euros. What does this mean for you? These numbers are not a measure of your worth as a person. They are simply orientation values, a map, not a rule. You can start today. Start small, think long-term, stay consistent, learn how money works, use tools like exchange-traded funds, index funds, and diversified investing. Wealth is built, not found. So tell me, where do you currently stand, and what is your next goal? Comment below, and let's grow together. If this helped you, consider subscribing, because understanding money is the first step toward financial freedom. Finance Owl. Learn, grow, build wealth, not financial advice, just personal opinions and research. Always do your own due diligence.